AI is the art of managing data in new and clever and innovative ways using emerging technology that is going to amaze and astound us. The challenge is, on one hand, you want to pull all your data together because the more data you have, the more powerful your AI systems and the inference models and everything that flows from that. The challenge is making sure that as you're pulling data together, you don't inadvertently build a data set that is more sensitive in its nature than you intended. If you are working on a low profile system, but putting these three pieces of data together suddenly raises the security requirements, you can't find that out after the fact. So your data management, data privacy, and data flow maps all have to take into consideration the pros and cons of aggregating the data together, but also maintaining the security.
Dan made a great point, right, around the data security and ensuring that within a multi-cloud construct and dealing with multi-tenancy as well, right, this data is all disparate across multiple cloud, different locations, different data centers that the organization or customer may own as well. How do I ensure that I maintain my compliancy without generating a new risk for myself? One of the biggest pieces that we've looked at is how do you bring AI to the data? You don't want to necessarily have that challenge of moving it, right? Our current logical and physical constructs fit and meet our current compliance requirements. If I can bring the capability to the data without having to move it around, my risk profile lessens. So I think as a part of this, right, that's where we've looked at the construct of the AI factory and doing different sizes, and now I can just share the inferencing as I need to get the outcome I'm looking for, versus moving all this data. And then when you start looking at total cost of ownership, obviously there are egress, ingress fees as you start to look at maybe how hyperscalers do from a billing perspective. So I think the biggest piece that we've looked at is trying to provide customers and our FSI partners with flexibility based off their security requirements as they move forward to meet mission outcomes.